Ayan. Good morning, Blonders. Pinoy Blonde ng Dubai. Proud to be Pinoy. Andito kami sa Spanish Pande. Yan ang sinasabi ko.
Thank you.
Masyado nang mapayat.
Hi, madam.
Masyado ka nang mapayat ngayon, ha? Ang payat-payat mo na.
Thank you, tita.
So, yan. Andito kami sa Spanish Pande. Hi, Mami. Hi, Ate Ana. Hi, Tito Ren. Parang mali yung pinasukan natin. Parang mali. Hindi, meron din.
Tinawagan.
Meron. Grabe.
Bye-bye.
Diyos ko, step na magkakahalataan na ng pinakamatagal sa Pinis.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my God, stop number also they need. Ito na, meron na kaming Pande, Sports Fest ng Spinis. Tatatlo lang yung number ko, kaya madali lang.
Okay na ba? Okay. Your good name? 5169.
Diyos ko, ako tatatlo lang. 600, 623. 623.
Thank you, Ramino.
Okay na? Thank you. Ayan, may palibre. Good morning! Good morning!
You are waitress?
Morning.
Spanish or waitress?
Spinis! Hi, madam! How are you? Thank you! Oo nga! Hi!
Enjoy!
Thank you! Madam, kumusta ka na?
Oh my God!
Ano, kumusta na? Ganda-ganda pa rin.
Enjoy!
Thank you! Reunion to ng mga senior citizen. Dito tayo sa welcome para mas maganda. Diyos ko. Asan ang kaina? Dadala ko pa rin yung aking, ko. Ayan. Ano naman to? Ayan, welcome. Eat well, live well. God bless you all. Ay, cheering, chuchu, blah, blah, blah. Hi! Grabe. Ay, ito na yung basketball. Ito na yung basketball. Si basketball already. Oh my God. Basketball na agad. Maganda yung bag. Ay! Ang gusto ko breakfast.
Tara, saan ba?
May breakfast to, alam ko eh.
Baka sa loob pa.
Natanggal yung plastic ng bag ko.
Tanggalin mo na, tita. Dahil nilagay ko na yung ano.
Alam, may umaawit. May umaawit. Hi! Hi! Hello! Tapos,
Naman ni...
reunion talaga ito. Ayan, may breakfast. Ay, may Spanish pan dito. May talent portion. Where's the breakfast? Ah, this is breakfast. Oh. O, sige na, mamaya na lang. How are you? Senior citizen ba ito? Oh my God! Reunion ng mga senior citizen! Ay! Jenny! Saan si Rob?
Ano na sa ito? Ayun yun.
Gusto ko reunion. O, sige naman yan na. Na si Dennis sa vlog ko, oh. Pero pinapagutuman ka talaga ng amo mo. Ay, napatali na kayo sa vlog ko, oh.
There must be something in the calling for all the chess players, please, chess players. Let's get to work.
Yeah! Yeah! Woo-hoo! Keep going! Woo!
Let's get to work.
Yeah!
Go ahead, think it great, get killed. Cause you're all to my balls, do you feel me?
Let's go! Welcome!
Alright guys, the tug of war registration is open, so please head to the registration area at the
Reaching
gate.
for the next level. I'm
The
reaching
tug of war registration for males and females. Group of 10, head to the gate for the
Oh
registration.
yeah! We're back! Oh yeah! You beautiful ladies! And you amazing guys at the back! Woo! And speed it up! Hey! 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 Stay with me! Hey! Come on! Woo!
Let's get to work.
Alright guys, I'm calling out for the chess players who registered for the chess.
Amazing!
Leave
You
the
beautiful
field,
people!
go to the right side,
We're not
to the
over.
third chest.
We're not over! Stay with
Alright,
me too much
and as well, the tug of war. The tug of war registration is open, ladies and gentlemen.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Oh yeah. Breathe in. This one's really easy and nice. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Matausap ka na dyan.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Nasaan si Gemma?
Welcome to my vlog.
Thank you. Sing with me. Space, space.
Saan? Ay, straight face mo.
What's in your hand? Oh, yes.
Wala nang nakitang view.
High five. Yes.
Wala nang nakitang view. Pilip-silip naman tayo sa mga ibang. Oo, maliit lang ginagawa nila. Kasi pag masyadong malaki, makala. Sige natin doon, no? Para may makita naman sa video ko. Anong game mo? Anong game mo?
Volleyball. Tapos na kami.
Manalo ka na? Ay, ano ba yan? Grabe ang haba ng duty. Kaya ang ganda-ganda din Lenden, no? Ganda-ganda naman yun. Parang hindi ka lola. Parang hindi lang. Marjorie, oh, tingnan si anak, ganda-ganda talo ka.
Si Marjorie.
Nilagay sa vlog. Ganda, oh. Hindi, pwede naman kuha ng picture dito. Pwede na guys, yan, Snapchat ko na lang. Yan, Snapchat ko siya. Ganda, oh. Ganda niya, oh. Hindi alatang lola.
Sampo na mo tayo.
Wala, para may vlog ako. Lagi na lang doon, puro pagkain eh. Ganda ng kulay mo, Ana.
Ano yan? Tatag mo po ta.
Oo.
Pupunta.
Dito, mag-iikot. Dito, mag-video. Mag-video.
Nakakapita ka. Pisa ka kami.
Ano, nag-birthday ka na naman?
Hindi na. Lalabas tayo naman.
Ko? Busy ako eh.
Busy nga ako din. Alam mo ang practice ng cheering namin, 4 to 7, 4 to 7.
Ano, dapat nagpapahinga, graduate ka na dapat sa mga cheering, binibigay mo na sa mga bata.
Eh, ano gagawin ko
Lagi mong habol ang uniform.
Ang ano gagawin ko eh, sinend niya ako ng amo ko ta.
Ko? Tapos magdalawa kayo nila, susuot mo yan, ano? Gusto mo yung mga ganyan eh.
Pero naman, si Mami Melo ko ako, para nakita ko si Mami Melo.
Andito ba si Melo Capo?
Ano, sabi niya, ikaw naman tingnan nagbabago. Baka ka talaga yun.
Pwede ka tumatandaan na.
Hindi ba kita?
Hindi ba tumatanda?
Tita,
Iba talaga pag natitiligan ni Nelson.
busy ka ta? Busy ka nga ta?
Lagi naman ka-busy ako. Ngayon, gusto ko February na.
Eh, kailan tayo lalaman?
Ayan, naka-ano na yan.
MHP Cranky.
Dali! Hi! Hi! O, kasama ka sa vlog ko.
Hello, please help us. Cheerleaders, please support your team in volleyball.
Ayan, volleyball na. Ayan, yan yung mga nag-try out. Ayan na sila ngayon.
Hinaban niya? Stop pa pala?
Siyempre, Muse! Solo!
Hi, tita!
Ay!
Beauty!
Kasali na ka sa vlog ko! Ay! Kasali na, oh! Kakaines! Ano naman kayo, magkakay sa vlog ko?
Ay, naglalagay pa lang yung high five!
Hello, vlog!
Si Marian. Saan ka going? Basketball! Ay, basketball na ba? Oh, let's go to basketball.
Si Madam Shah. Diba? Nung nag-try out sila, doon ako sa ano, sa Alwasal Park. Ngayon nag-game na sila, dito na kami sa Panday. Siguro, makainit.
Tayo sa basketball.
Thanks, susunod ako madam. Kukuha ko lang si Marjorie.
Hindi po rin gumagano.
Bang, gusto ko umupo ni Cynthia. Sabi ka na umupo ah. Sabi ka na umupo, bakit? Alam, may mga tugtog yun. Baka i-claim sa ano ko po, may mga tugtog. May tag of war.
Ikaw yung cellphone mo, hindi ko lang alam na ano.
Nalimutan ko lang nga, di ko alam ko lang.
Di ba kung sa lamesa lang kanina?
Talaga? Hi boss, how are you? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. See, now in my vlog dancing. Oh my god, see? Are you a dancer also? Sabi mo, busy off ngayon, madam. Sabi nagpapapainting ka. Gusto ng abana.
Tingnan mo si Celo parang bata. Si Celo. Madam!
Ano na, lalaban na kaya?
Buhay pa yun si ano? Pina-check up ko eh.
Oh, bakit napunta na siya doon sa kabila?
Pinaupo ko doon eh. Sabi ng ano, bakit mo inaaway?
Sa kanto kami face painting and
Ay, ang ganda.
I want that.
you want also that?
Yes.
Oh my
Come.
god.
I want now.
Very hot, madam, after fall down.
Yeah, don't take. That's what you suggest. I'm going to be in the volleyball court now.
Yeah, no problem.
I want that, but I have to be in the court for 5 minutes.
What now? Okay.
Yeah, you first.
Can do 5 minutes?
First.
You can do 5 minutes?
Okay, mawal. Look at ko na, madam.
Sharon! I'm here. I hope they will not miss me.
I'll go there. I'll go there. I can do it 3 minutes.
Ah, okay. I want to see your people, but where's the committee member who's supposed to be here?
Yeah, nail art. Face painting. Ayun, sa kabila yung henna. Oh, may nag-ano pa ng... May nagbi-braid pa pala dun, oh. Nagpapa-braid, oh. May braiding. Ayan, oh, nagbi-braid sila.
Ano kayo mga chase?
Ay, pregnant!
Yeah, I can see you showing off.
Yeah! 3 months now, madam. You don't know. Oh my God. After a long time.
after crying so much.
Yeah, no sleep also.
This is what happened when you're sitting in one corner.
Yeah.
You don't know what's going on.
Madam, I like your ID.
1-0, time's up.
Wi-Fi, Road, please support Wi-Fi. He was asking the password.
Kanina ka kasi, wala naman.
Nine 14. 9:14. It's in. 10-14. Fantastic comeback from Commandos. 10-14. Oh, what a mistake. Communication, guys. If you want to WhatsApp, please WhatsApp each other. 11-14. You can use WhatsApp, email, any kind of communication. Oops. 12-14. 12-14. It's a tough game. Justin came back after foot truck. First set, won by Waitrose. 12-15 first set. Dragons, Commandos try their hard, level best, but ends. South, well done. You did your best. Nabla.
So, panalang Waitrose. Sino susunod? Kayo na? Kayo na? Tsaka? Tsaka, madam, sige, put here. Put your bag here. Ayun doon, no? Dali, ayun lang naman, no? Baka sumabog ang pantog niya.
Someone is very proud today. Sarit Rajendran to the volleyball coach. Sarit Rajendran, the official photographer, 2024 Fun Day. Please proceed to volleyball court female. Central and MHP Dragon supporters,
Ayan, yung team namin yung blue.
please be in volleyball.
Ayan, dyan kami kasali sa MHP Dragon. Yan ang aming team. Pero mga friends ko din yung nasa Central Challenge. Oh my God. Ang hirap nito, pareho mong friend, makalaban. Ano si March?
MHP Dragon, are you ready?
Si Ruth.
Central, are you ready?
Nancy. Oh my God. Mga friends ko. Lahat sila friends ko naglalaban-laban. Sa volleyball.
All the team members, coach, all are here? All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to Central and MHP Dragon. Central cheerleaders, Central cheerleaders,
Oh
where
my God. May
are
mga
you?
cheerer pa.
Central cheerleaders, are you here or you're busy in food courts?
Gising, gising, gising. Walang mamay nito.
Well done. This is a huge support from head office team and the leading chair. Well done, babies. Give it up to head office and Central. 3-1. Central, Pavan, Zesra. Where is your team, buddies? Pavan, Zesra. Oh. 4-1. 4-1.
Mga vitamins pa.
Oh, 5-1. It's too early, babies. 5-1. Central, where are you? Who's gonna support?
Takbo, takbo nyo, takbo nyo.
Are you okay, ladies? Are you okay today? Are you okay today? Relax, relax, relax.
You know.
Another points for Dragons. Dragons is really showing that they are taking control over the ground.
Final na yan? Semi-final sila.
7-2. Central, anong problema mo, Mamacita?
Si
Pagpaglalan tayo. Set! Set!
Oh. 8-2.
Guys, dapat sa mga.
8-2.
Pero yan na. Takbo!
Up. Powerful Dragons, powerful Dragons.
Sam, Sam!
Ano pa lang receiving pa yung dalawa. Set! Set!
Well done.
Kaya ka?
So head office in Facebook Live, postcarding this match. So well done to head office.
Tara, uwi!
Out. All right, Central on the chase. Oh, that is one. Central is leading after long time on the scoreboard. With 1-1 for Dragons and Central. Is out of the court. So free giveaway. Central 2. Central is leading. My God, that's nice. It's well played by Central. 3-1. Dragons are behind. Seems like they are overwhelmed and tired. Another point for Central. 4. Central is coming back harder and harder. I can see the tension of cheerleaders from Dragons. No more sound, no more energy. Seems they are confused. Two, 4. Dragon 2, Central 4. Yeah, another point for Central. 5-2. South is supporting Central because there is no one from Central to support Central. The organizing committee, Pawan Shesha, is not doing a great job today. It's out. 6-2. Game point for Dragons. Dragons won the volleyball semi-finals. How are you feeling, Dragons? How are you feeling today? The winners of volleyball semi-finals, Dragons. Let's give it up to Dragons. Well done to everyone. Final is at 12 o'clock. Waitrose and Dragons finals at 12 o'clock. Finals volleyball in between Waitrose and Dragons and the head of it.
Ball 5. Still by Central. Out.
Good.
Go. 1 point. 6, 5.
So dito naman tayo sa basketball. Karamihan Pilipino.
Pushing foul.
Grabe ng init. Mas 11 na.
Good shot by Central. 8-5. Central leading. Intercepted. Alger on the run. Foul. Central ball. South warning. Central 2 points. Warning on South. Isa bang foul? Pero 45. Central attacking. Foul. Substitution. The game is 10-5 in favor of Central, with 10 minutes remaining on the first half. Central ball. Offensive foul with 28.
Number 10 mo po ito, tita. Number 10.
2 team fouls for Central. Out of bounds. Central ball.
Di ba parang nasa Pilipinas lang?
Hello?
Kainitan! Shoot! Wala!
South get the ball. Central get it back. Time to drive. Foul. Foul.
Grabe kainitan. Alas 11.
Score is 10-5 with 9 minutes remaining in favor of Central.
Puro Pilipino nag-aaral ng basketball. Hi Ate Ana. Hi Mami. Hi Tita Rez. Ito kami sa Sports Fest Spini sa Polo Club. Ayan. Napakainit. Grabe. Puro Pilipino ang naglalaro ng basketball eh. Ayan o.
Central still got it? Yeah! 12-5. Central is leading. Where are the cheerers now? Central, come on! Central, yeah! What about South? Come on, South! South, come on! 8 minutes.
So ayan, daming pagkain. May soft drink, may saging, may noodles. Ayan. Kumain na kami kanina ng chicken hotdog. Kalagpakan namin ni Cynthia. Ang daming pagkain, grabe. Oh, ang daming pagkain. Thank you very much. Ayan, ang pila-pila. Daming pagkain, grabe. At ang mga pagkain. Ayan, may basketball pa. Pero kakain muna kami ng lunch. Nakapila pa si Cynthia. Ayan o. Diba? Ang dami pang fruits. Apple, orange. Kaya lang problema mainit. Napakainit. Grabe.
Diba? Saka yung uso talaga.
Basta ko sa kabila mainit.
Central will move into the finals.
Sige na. Ayan na. cameraman na ako. Nakakayos. Tatanggap naman ng credit card sa ano, di ba? Sa taxi.
Oo naman. Tired.
Hotel na to eh. Hotel yan, di ba? Tama na. So ayan, tapos na, pauwi na kami. Tapos na yung Sport Fest, 5 o'clock na ng hapon. Grabe, ang saya. Hi Mami, hi Tita Renz, hi Ate Ana. Ito pauwi na, galing sa Spini Sports Fest Panday. Grabe, nabusog ako, ang daming pagkain. Ayun, basketball, volleyball, handball, ang mga pinaglabanan, chess, tag war. Ay, hindi ako sumali, sila lang. Alam niyo naman, hindi ako mahilig sa ganyan. Nanood lang, nakigulo lang. So ayan, reunion din. Reunion ng mga matatagal na sa Spinis. So ayan, pauwi na. Kaya ano, may upload ko na to. O sige na, para mamaya pag uwi upload ko na. Okay? Okay. Thank you for shopping tuloy. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Pinoy Bulanan Dubai. Proud to be Pinoy. Eat well, live well. God bless you all. I miss you, Mommy. Mwah, 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 mwah. Congratulations sa lahat ng nanalo sa games. Ayan. Sige na.